How to find branch number Simplii. Locate the bottom of a check. Find the branch number and institution number there. Visit the Simplii website for listed branch numbers. Log in to your Simplii online banking account. Check your account details for the branch number. Refer your bank statement or deposit slip. Ensure you have the correct branch number for accurate payments. Verify with your bank and recipient if any. Use the correct numbers to ensure safe and accurate transactions. These methods will help you to find your Simplii financial branch number efficiently. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.